Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about how you can brand your YouTube channel so that you can maximize your growth. So when you're talking about your YouTube channel, one of the things that you should start with is the name. How are you planning to name your YouTube channel? Are you going to use your own name? Are you going to use a company name? Are you going to use based on the content that you're giving? So the name of your channel should be representative of what kind of content you're going to be producing. And mostly in the beginning, you can make your name, the name of your channel, to be a bit broader or a bit wider, because after that you're able to edit and change so that it fits what you're producing. A lot of people make a mistake of making the YouTube channel so specific. So if you make a content that is different from what you've said, then the viewers are kind of confused. So don't confuse your audiences. Make a name that is able to cater about all the content that you're planning to produce. Also, match your viewers' energy. So based on your audience or your niche, what is the energy that you like to portray? So if it is like a business kind of look that you want to portray, or if your niche is like directed to people who are doing business in a certain field, so make sure that you portray. If you're doing entertainment, what kind of entertainment are you doing? Are you portraying that image in your YouTube channel? So kind of make your content that is relevant to your audiences. And most importantly is make your image. So like you can put your profile photo, and the profile photo should be representative of the content that you're going to be producing, or a representative of yourself. Most people rather use a logo or a different photo apart from them, but is it representative of yourself and of the content that you're doing? So look at that before you put your profile, whatever image or photo that you're going to put there. And the profile photo has to be consistent. So if you have other social networks, for example, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, then the profile photo should be more or less the same in all your social media platforms. Then create a banner or YouTube channel art that is consistent with the content that you're producing. So if you're doing something or your content is about sports, you can actually take a photo of you doing those sports or someone else doing those sports, or the equipment that are used for that particular sport. If you're doing traveling, so you could put a destination or a flight, if you're doing, for example, a travel channel, so that people immediately when they open your or go to your YouTube channel page, they're able to see the banner and they're able to know what kind of content to expect from you. And the thumbnail that you use for your videos or for your shorts, they have to be consistent. Use a image or something that is consistent with your channel. Of course, you don't have to repeat the same format or the same thumbnail over and over, but kind of the bigger picture of that thumbnail has to be almost consistent, so that when people are searching for something and they see your image, they immediately recognize that this is your content and what they're expecting from that content. Then check on your about section. When you go to the about section in your main page, then you can edit. There is power in the words, because people might not access your content through your YouTube channel name, but they could actually search from the YouTube search engine and find your content. So edit your about section. Your about section is where you tell more about yourself. What are you about? What are you giving to the viewers? What is the value you're adding, so that people are able to know what to expect from your channel. And most importantly, keep or protect your reputation. Be respectful. What kind of people are following you? What kind of people are you following? And what kind of content are you producing? Because most brands, if they want to work with you, they will look at what kind of person you are. Are you the right person to represent their company? So portray what exactly you are about, because then you can attract the right brand collaborations. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss out.